Today I'll be making a dessert which is made across India. It's called Doodh wali Semiya, Meethi Semiya, Sheer Korma, which is made during Eid. So it's a very simple but loved by all dessert. For this we have these vermicelli Semiya, which usually we roast it in ghee, but nowadays you get them roasted. So I've got condensed milk here. I'm going to add water to the condensed milk. If you don't want to use condensed milk, you can use full cream milk of same amount and add sugar. So I'm going to heat up some water, which I'm going to add condensed milk. Mix it well, heating it up. Now the milk is heated up. I'll add this crushed vermicelli. I will cook this till it thickens. As it cooks, the vermicelli also gets soft and it's kind of blends in the milk. So this should take about 10 minutes. If you want a richer and creamier taste, you can add some milk powder to this. This is completely optional. Now you can see it's well cooked, it's thick. You switch off the flame. I'll add some cardamom powder. You can add saffron at this stage. I've got some soaked saffron here. So we'll wait for this to cool down and we'll do the plating. Okay, so now the Semiya have cooled down, let's plate. So I'm going to dot it with a little more of saffron now that I've soaked saffron with me here. Some chopped pistachios, chopped almonds, edible flowers. Here you go. Our Meethi Semiya vermicelli pudding is ready. Do try this recipe and leave your comments below. Do check out on my other vegan and vegetarian recipes. I'll come back with some more exciting recipes. This is Chef Sarab Kapoor. See you soon.